Put the dishes in the sink. It's easy if you try. First you wash, next you rinse, then you wipe them dry. Again? Yes. Put the dishes in the sink. It's easy if you try. First you wash, I'll get it, then you wipe them dry. Okay. Hello? Put the dishes in the sink. Who was at the door? First you wash a bush.
Are you sure you know what you're doing, Bluebird?
Trust me, Oakley. My magical powers are now ready. Hi, Bluebird. Hi, Oakley. Have you seen Will? Shh! I've more important things to do than look for Will, like making Oakley disappear.
Oh!
From a tree to a pea, make Oakley hard to see.
Well, am I invisible?
No.
Not even a little bit? Nope. Sorry.
I must be losing my touch. Maybe Oakley isn't the disappearing type. Why do you want to be invisible anyway, Oakley?
Oh, you'll think I'm being silly.
Oh, no, we won't. Will we, Raggles? You may be a lot of things, Oakley, but silly isn't one of them.
Well, I wish I could run around, play the games you can play. I just want to join in, play hide and seek, be the one that hides for a change.
Well, I think everyone should be allowed to hide. Don't worry, Oakley. We'll help you.
You will?
Leave it to us, Oakley. Just how are we going to hide in Oak Tree? I haven't worked that bit out yet. That's it, Raggles. Slap it on. So, what are they making again?
A disguise.
Brilliant. What's a disguise?
Something you wear to make you look different, so no one knows who you are.
Rosie, maybe that bush I saw is a disguise. Maybe someone's wearing it. Raggles, will you stop going on about that bush? OK, Oakley. Let's pop this on. There.
Well, what do I look like? Good.
The colour really suits your branches. A perfect disguise. What's happened to your face, Oakley?
Oh, how did you know it was me?
How many other trees can you see on this hill?
How can I hide when I'm stuck on this hill where everyone can see me?
Oakley, this is a great hill. You can see for miles.
And you can see me from miles away too. Oh, I wish I could move somewhere else.
Like where?
Like the playground.
OK, everyone. Let's pull Oakley to the playground. Ah! And I will provide some bluebird magic. From the hill to the slide, this tree I will guide.
The trouble with being good at hiding is you're always on your own. Oh, hello, Bluebird.
He's not budging. Oh, Oakley, we didn't hide you. I'm sorry.
That's okay. I think this big old tree was meant to be on this hill, not in the playground, playing hide and seek with his friends.
Big Bear, we need your help.
What? Ah, yes.
Hold this. Now, where's Bluebird? Bluebird!
Here I am!
Take this sheet.
Why? Because you're going to help us hide Oakley.
Me? I'm going to actually hide?
Come on, Clouds! You can help too!
It tickles.
Ah, we've done it.
Done what? Where's Oakley?
Look.
Oh! Rosie, the bush! It's coming this way!
Are you still going on about that bush? Now I wonder who that might be. Come on, let's hide.
I'm fed up with this. Here I am! I'm the winner! Hello? Oakley? He's disappeared! Oakley! Where are you, Oakley?
Here I am, you silly sausage!
That's the best hiding place ever in the history of hiding places!
Thanks, Rosie and Raggles. Thanks, everyone.
Do you know, Oakley looks like a playhouse. A great big playhouse.
That's right. And what do you do in playhouses?
Play!
Yahoo!
Look at me, Playhouse.
By using the power of my mind, the card you are holding has a picture of an apple on it. Oh, I meant to say, a banana. Oh, thank you, thank you.
Oh, you said apple. You can't change your mind.
So, on with the show. Am I keeping you awake, Oakley?
No, I'm wide awake.
For my grand finale, I hope she's going to make some food appear. I'm so hungry.
Me too, Raggles.
Is there something you'd like to share with us?
Sorry, Bluebird.
So, for my grand finale, I am going to perform a vanishing trick, for which I will need a volunteer. Give a big round of applause for Raggles! Hey? Oh, thanks a lot. Now, enter my magical vanishing room. This is Will's tent.
I lent it to Bluebird.
Did you really?
That was kind.
Wasn't it?
I lent her a nest once.
Can you just get in the tent, please? Right. I shall now say the magical vanishing word. Shalmalam. No, that's not right. Icky wacky wah. No. Yalaboo. Definitely not. Oh, can you hurry up? I'm starving. Draparacadaracadizzy. No.
There's no way you're going to make Raggles disappear. I'm going to play on the swings.
Oh, can I come?
Maybe you should do the trick when you've remembered the magic word, Bluebird. You can come out now, Raggles.
Oh, don't go. Aha! Aha! I remembered it now! Yes, it's Alakalama-kazaga-kazoom! Ahem! Behold!
Hello, Rug. He's gone.
He is? I mean, he is.
Wow.
Not bad.
Oh, how did you do it, Bluebird?
By magic?
But I don't want Raggles to be gone.
Oh, Holly, it's just a trick. Bluebird knows how to bring him back. Don't you, Bluebird? Bluebird? Ready, Raggles?
Ready?
Well, that should just about do it.
If only I wasn't such a great magician, this would never have happened.
It's pretty powerful stuff, that old bluebird magic.
Too powerful.
But they've got to be somewhere. No one just disappears.
Oh, look.
It looks like a picnic hamper.
Wow!
Look at all that food. Hey, there's a note. It's for you, Bluebird.
If you want to see us soon, say Alakalama-kazaga-zazoom!
With that!
There must be some way I can do it.
Do what?
Huh?
What is it you're trying to do?
Oh, hello, Bluebird. I'm trying to fly.
A flying wheel!
When you finished,
Flying is an art. Something I know everything and anything about. Now, stand up. Hold out your arms. And close your eyes.
okay.
Now, glide, little bird. Soar into the air. Hover on the breeze and caress the clouds. Swoop with the swallows. And mind the tree.
Ow! Oh.
The problem is there for us all to see.
What's that?
You are lacking in the wing department.
Oh, you noticed.
Ow!
What are you doing?
With these magic feathers, try to soar into the clear blue sky. Oh, that's right, Will. It's time to fly.
Oh,
Off you go then, flap, flap. Do you feel the magic, Will?
no, but I do feel silly. Whoa! flapping! I'm flapping! It's no good. I'm all bounced out.
Aha, I know. Let's try the hill.
Rosie? Raggles? Oh.
Now, you're sure this will work?
Almost definitely.
Good luck, Will. I think you're going to need it.
Here I go!
Will! Will, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh, I wish everyone would stay still.
There must be some way we can get you to fly.
All I do is land with a bump, not fly like a bird.
It's a shame you don't have wings, like a plane.
Raggles, you are a genius.
Ugh.
Well, come on then.
Where to?
To get Will his wings. You have all been waiting for. Raggles, please. I give you Will, the flying boy. Ready, Will?
Ready!
Wait!
What's wrong, Big Bear?
Did you open your present?
It was from you.
But it was empty.
I know. I'm sorry. This was supposed to be inside.
Oh, it's lovely.
It's my lucky pebble. So everything you do will work out just fine. That's what a lucky pebble is for.
Oh, thank you, Big Bear. Your box made great wings for Will. And now, with this lucky pebble, Will's first flight can't fail. Good luck, Will.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Yes! Wow! Will has got his wings.
I'm flying! I'm flying!
Oh, that's my lucky pebble.
And my magic feathers.
Well done,
The
Will.
pip.
It's this. Dear Big Bear, please can you come to my palace for tea from the Queen?
Oh, what's to frown about? You should be excited. Oh, you're going to have tea with the Queen, Big Bear. Tea with the Queen.
Oh, but I am worried. I've never had tea with a queen before. What do I do? Oh, what happens if I get crumbs on my whiskers or jelly on my paws?
Now that is a worry.
But luckily, you've come to the right place.
I have?
He has?
Yes. We're going to teach you how to have tea with the Queen. Aren't we, Raggles?
Yes. Yes, we are.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you both.
Don't mention...
Can you put Raggles down now, please?
Oops. Oh, sorry.
Right. Let's have a look at you. First, you have to dress right. Well?
I'm sorry, but I don't like any of them.
Oh, what do you like then?
This? I like this.
It's not exactly smart, is it?
What do you mean?
Wait there.
Well, let's have a look at you then.
Oh, yes.
Perfect.
Now you look right. You've got to walk right.
What do you mean?
She means you have to walk tall, with confidence, like this.
Easy peasy.
Yup, he walks like a bear, all right.
I'll soon have him walking like a prince.
You're looking good.
Oh, I look silly, don't I?
Nonsense, Big Bear. You look great. Keep going. All the way up the hill.
And there you'll have your last lesson. After 3. 3.
That's it, Big Bear.
Great slurping.
You always slurp when you meet the Queen.
Oh, I never knew drinking tea could be so... Slurpy. Right. For your last lesson, Big Bear, I want you to repeat after me. Rosie and Raggles ran around the roundabout.
Rosie and Raggles ran around.
No, he means Big Bear.
Oh,
Rosie and Raggles ran about the run. Rosie and Roundabout raggled round and ran and about. Rosie and Raggles ran around the roundabout. Very good, Big Bear.
he did it.
Oh, I did it! I did it!
Do you know, Big Bear, I think you are ready to have tea with the Queen.
Oh, thank you, everyone. Rosie and Raggles ran around the roundabout. Don't you know?
Where are you all going?
To have tea.
With the Queen.
What? I was just tricking you. It was just a joke.
I can assure you there's nothing funny about having tea with Her Royal Highness.
Can I come?
Oh, have you got an invitation?
No.
Sorry. You rang? We've come to have tea with the Queen. Her Royal Highness is waiting for you inside.
What's going on?
Thank you for coming to my palace. You look beautiful.
Oh, and so does the table of food.
Yes, and in this palace, you can get crumbs on your whiskers.
And jelly on your paws. I'll get it.
Hello, Raggles.
That's Sir Raggles.
Sir Raggles. Can I have tea with Her Royal Highness Rosie too, please?
You may, on one condition.
What's that?
Oh, waiter! Another lemonade over here, please.
All right, keep your feathers on.
Rosie?
Yes, Raggles?
Wouldn't it be great if you were a real queen?
Yeah.
I could play the games I liked when I liked.
Yes. And I could...
With whom I liked. Oh, and I'd always win because I'd make up all the rules.
Yes, I suppose.
And you could wear the biggest crown ever. We could have a cake factory. No, 3 cake factories. And an ice cream lake and a pet lizard.
What about a non-stop talking blue rabbit?
There's no such thing. Bubble bath, yes. Strawberry bubble bath.
Night, Raggles.
Night, night, Rosie. Oh, butterscotch. Although...
OK, everyone. What shall we play? Oh.
What's up with them? I'll tell you what's up. Oakley's what's up.
Oakley?
He's been so grumpy. He said I sounded like a crow when I tried to join the dawn chorus.
And he won't give me my ball back. It's stuck in his branches.
When I read him my special Oakley poem, he just yawned.
And when I asked him if I could scratch my back on his bark, he told me to rub someone else up the wrong way.
He can be a bit grumpy sometimes.
This isn't a bit grumpy. This is a lot grumpy. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot.
I think we'd better go and see what's up, Raggles.
Rosie, can you hear something?
Uh-oh.
Raggles! Rosie! Hey! Get off! How come they always bounce on me?
Because you're so bounceable. Come on, let's go to Oakley.
And don't get into any mischief, acorns.
Go on, then.
Hello, Oakley.
Hello, Rosie. Hi, Raggles.
There've, been some complaints.
Not those acorns again.
No, not the acorns. It's,
You.
Oh,
everyone says you've been very grumpy.
but I can't help it. Those little acorns were making a racket all night long. I didn't get a wink of sleep. I'm tired. That's all.
I know just what you mean. When Rosie gets tired, she's so grumpy too.
What? Wait! I just want to talk.
OK, acorns, stop right there. I said stop. Whoa! Oh, they did it again. They bounced on me.
Who's that?
It's me. Please, can I have my ball back? Please?
But I'm trying to sleep.
And I'm trying to play football. Thanks a lot.
Oh, here you go, Will. Oh, I just want some sleep. Oh.
Not on my hammer. Stop it. Come here.
There you are. Hey, stop that. Come here.
This is the best game, Rosie.
It's not a game. I need to talk to you. Now, what are they up to? Coming, Raggles. Raggles!
Do you want to go, Rosie?
No, I do not.
Thanks, Rosie.
Now, I've got something to ask you all. It's about Oakley.
acorns to be quiet. Look at them. They really need calming down. Look, Raggles. They're so still.
And calm.
It's your tune. Raggles, keep playing your tune. I've got an idea. Let them follow you, Raggles. Okay, you cheeky little acorns. I want to ask you all a big favour for a big oak tree.
Come here. Hey? I like that a lot. What lovely singing.
It's nice to see you smile again, Oakley.
And we've had our little chat, acorns?
Yes, Rosie.
Hey, my ball! Oh, thanks, Oakley.
Oh, ever scratch on me, Big Bear.
Oh, thanks.
Hello, Holly. Can I listen to your poem again?
Yes. Oh, Oaky, Oaky, Oakley, you're oaky to your core. A wise and ancient oaky tree who no one could love more.
Thank you, Holly. I think I know how to get those acorns to keep quiet now.
Sing them a lullaby.
I think I'll have a nap too.
Can I? Please, please, Rosie.
Shush, Raggles. Can't you see I'm busy?
Oh, please, Rosie. I know I can do it. Please.
OK. You can be one of the 3 bears.
Yes! I won't let you down, Rosie.
Right. Where was I?
Which one?
Which what, Raggles?
Which bear am I?
Oh, Mummy Bear?
Ha! Great!
Let's try again.
Rosie?
What now, Raggles?
I think this is yours.
Oh, thank you. Now, I really must finish writing my play, or you won't be any kind of bear, will you?
It'll be like I'm not here. Oops, sorry.
Finished! I've written the play. Goldilocks and the 3 bears.
Oh, well done, Rosie. Can I be Mummy Bear now?
Not until we've got the rest of the actors.
You mean there's more?
Yes. There's Baby Bear and Daddy Bear and...
Yes, and Goldilocks and the wolf.
There isn't a wolf, Raggles. So, is everyone happy with the parts they've got?
Oh, yes. The role of the narrator is in the best of hands.
That's, great, Oakley. Big Bear, you're Daddy Bear.
Cool. I've always wanted to be a bear.
Will, you'll be Baby Bear.
Oh, do I have to be a baby?
Yes. And Holly, you are Goldilocks.
I hope I'll be a good Goldilocks, Rosie. Don't worry, Holly. Goldilocks isn't good. She's naughty. But I don't want to be naughty.
And the little acorns will be the audience. notes.
Off you go and play, so we can practice the show.
Why do they always do that?
OK, Oakley, let's start the play.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl called...
Goldilocks! Ooh, I love this story. And I love a nice play. What part have I got?
Oh, there isn't a part for you, Bluebird.
Oh, I see. OK, Holly.
Ooh, what a lovely house. I'm very tired and
Holly, you're going to have to speak up.
sorry, Bluebird.
Here, listen. Ooh, what a lovely house. You see, you've got to give it all you've got.
Ooh, what a lovely house.
No. Oh, that wasn't a baby bear. This is a baby bear. Googie, googie, goo. Who's been sleeping in my bed? Yes? Now, you have a go.
Googie goo. Who's been sleeping in my bed? Wow! Wow!
Oh, all I'm saying is, Mummy Bear should wear lipstick. She is a Mummy Bear. But I don't want to wear lipstick.
And I don't want to be shouty.
And I don't want to make baby noises.
I am the stage manager, so I am in charge.
It's only a game, Bluebird. Big Bear's right.
Well, I'm not playing it anymore.
Hello, everyone. How's the play coming along?
Not that great, actually.
Where's Bluebird?
Gone.
She kept telling us what to do all the time.
She made me make baby noises.
Oh, dear. Look, can you get the stage ready for the performance? I need to talk to Bluebird. Bluebird!
Rosie!
Ta-da!
What is it, Rosie?
I have decided that we're going to do a different play, Raggles. It's called Holly and the Four Bears. Come on.
4 bears?
And Daddy Bear says... Who's been sleeping in my bed? So Mummy Bear says...
Who's been sleeping in my bed?
And Baby Bear said...
Goo goo. Who's been sleeping in my bed?
Oh, yes. And Grandma Bear said...
Who's been sleeping in my bed?
Me! It was me!
Do you like your Twitter, Rosie?
Yes, of course I do.
Do you prefer to write it on your own or with me, Rosie?
With you, Raggles.
Good answer.
Raggles, why all the questions?
I am writing a newspaper, the Playhouse Bugle, and you are my first story. Listen to this. Rosie oils wheels on Twitter. It goes faster than ever. What do you think, Rosie?
It's very nice, Raggles, but it's not very exciting.
Oh. So, what about this? Rosie oils wheels on Twitter. It goes faster than ever.
Well, that sounds more exciting, but oiling the Twitter isn't. Don't you see?
Yes, but I can't think of anything else to write.
I'm sure you will. You just haven't found it yet. Go out there, follow your nose. Write something that everyone will want to read.
You're right, Rosie. Somewhere out there is the perfect story for my paper. And I'm going to find it.
You can still write about me too.
Bird sits in tree. No. Grass in orchard needs cutting. Nope.
Big Bear's apple is perfectly ripe. Now he's in for a big surprise.
Huh? Big Bear in for nasty surprise when Holly takes his apple from tree. Oh, much more like it. With the power of magic, I shall now place my new nest into this tree. Rise into the tree, my nest. Rise! Oh, come on, nest, rise! Get up there! That's the problem with nests. They're so unhelpful. And this tree is silly. Bluebird says trees are silly. Now that's a brilliant story. Rosie's right. There are lots of stories in the world. I just have to find them.
Oh, hurry up, Raggles. How long does it take to write a newspaper anyway?
Finished!
Well, show me then.
Yay!
Oh, come on, Raggles.
First we have to get the papers to everyone.
Oh, Raggles.
Can we deliver them on the Twitter, Rosie? Just like real newspapers.
Great idea, Raggles. Let's get delivering.
It says here, Bluebird thinks trees are silly. What a cheek.
Are you sure she said that, Raggles? Bluebird loves trees, especially when she's sitting in them.
I wouldn't have written it if I hadn't heard it.
But isn't it a bit like telling tales?
No, it's news.
Oh, look. Everyone's walking towards us.
They don't look very happy.
Hey, they're all carrying my newspaper.
Can I have a look now?
Here you go.
Oh, Raggles. What have you done?
Raggles! Uh-oh. I did not say all trees were silly, just a tree I was trying to magic my nest into.
Oh, I see. And I didn't kick the ball at Oakley's nose and run away laughing. He was being a goalie. He saved the ball.
I did, you know.
Fancy that.
You said I took Big Bear's apple.
And you didn't?
She picked it so she could surprise me with it.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, I'm really sorry.
I'm sure you are, Raggles. I'm also sure Raggles didn't mean to upset everyone. And he certainly didn't mean to tell any tales.
Maybe the newspaper wasn't such a good idea.
It was a great idea. Wasn't it, everyone?
Was it?
Oh, yes, of course it was.
Great
Great
idea.
Good idea.
Your newspaper is a wonderful idea, Raggles. It's just the stories need to be more fun and make people happy.
Yes, a newspaper that makes people smile. That's a brilliant idea, Rosie. Come on, Rosie. We've got a newspaper to write.
What's with the we? Night-night.
Night, Rosie.
Pardon you, Raggles.
It wasn't me. Well, if it wasn't Raggles...
Where did it come from?
Oh, that noise is funny. I wonder what's making it.
Noise? Can't say I noticed.
Maybe Rosie will know where the noise is coming from.
What was that?
There's somebody at the door.
Come on, Rosie. Let's go and see who it is.
Who is it?
It's only us.
Hello, Bluebird. Big Bear, did you hear the noise too?
Oh, yes. Funny, isn't it?
Well, I couldn't hear anything. That noise!
I wonder what's making it.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Maybe it's a monster.
With 3 heads.
And 16 legs.
With purple and yellow hair. La 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 la.
It's okay, Bluebird. They're only pretending. You don't need to be scared.
Scared? Oh no! Even if it is a monster, I could magic it away if I wanted to. I'm just here to check that you're all okay. Oh, I'm fine. Absolutely fine. There, Big Bear. It's okay. Really, it is.
The noise is definitely coming from outside.
I think I've heard a noise like this before. Maybe in a thunderstorm.
It doesn't look stormy.
There aren't any clouds.
Or rain.
No, I love storms. The louder the better.
I don't. Storms can be scary. Oh, I'm not scared of storms. I'm not scared of anything. Whoa! This is no time for play. Listen! The animals and the trampoline are making funny noises. Maybe that's what we heard.
No, they don't make the same kind of noise, or as loud.
There it goes again.
Oh, Bluebird?
Oops. Clumsy me. I slipped.
What is that noise?
It's definitely a glug gurgle monster. Sounds just like one. Ooh.
Let's see if we can follow the noise and find out exactly where it's coming from.
This way.
Don't be silly, Bluebird. It's coming from over there.
No, definitely not that way.
Let's go and see Oakley. He should know what to do.
Wait for me. I like donuts. It's the little acorns making the noise. Oh,
The acorns aren't loud enough to be the noise.
They don't make the ground shake either.
And how is Oakley managing to sleep through it?
What? Where? Who? Oh, hello. What are you all doing on my hill? It's the middle of the night.
A loud noise is keeping us all awake and we don't know where it's coming from.
We thought it was a thunderstorm.
Or a monster. Haven't you heard it?
No? Describe it to me.
It goes something like this. Burble, 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 burble.
No, it's more like this.
Gurgly, gurgly. And this.
Wow, Holly!
Raggles, did you move?
Oh, but I've been sitting here for ages. Can I have a peek now?
Not until I've finished your portrait. Now keep still. Now who's that? No peeking, Raggles. Oh, hello, Big Bear.
Oh, hello, Rosie. Well, here he is.
Here's who, Big Bear?
Eh? Oh, where's he gone now? Little Bear!
Slide!
Little Bear's my nephew. I'm looking after him for the day. Isn't he sweet?
Yes. Hello, Little Bear.
Red! There!
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Swings!
Okay, I'm coming.
Well, he's a lively one.
I think I better paint another portrait, Raggles.
Go away!
And these are my really, really good friends, Rosie and Raggles.
Pardon?
Pink Bird says hello.
Pink Bird? But there's no one there.
Silly you. That's because Pink Bird is my magical, invisible friend.
Oh, invisible?
Yes, you can't see her. She's invisible.
Right.
Hello, Pink Bird.
Hello, Pink Bird.
Come, Pink Bird. Let me show you the play area.
Wasp!
Faster!
It must be nap time by now. Aren't you tired, little bear?
Birdie!
Oh, I'm so sorry about forgetting you, Bluebird.
'Tis nothing. I have a new best friend now anyway. Say hello to Pink Bird. She's magical and invisible and reliable. Unlike some people.
Oh, Birdie.
It's Bluebird!
Sorry, little bear, but I don't think Bluebird wants to play.
Want!
Ask properly and they might let you have a go.
Who's the little you?
It's Little Bear. And he wants a go on your go speeder.
Of course Little Bear can have a go.
Thank you. I could do with a break.
It's all yours.
Thanks. Great.
He's cute.
He's trouble. Turbo blasters to max power!
I'm still going faster than you, Will!
Go, Speeder! Go, go, go!
Come on, Rosie! Whoa! Bluebird! Can't stop! Busy, busy, busy!
Yes! I win!
Yay, me! I'm the champ!
Raggles, who won?
I'm not sure.
You were supposed to be watching.
I was. Just not the bit at the end.
Well, it doesn't matter anyway, because I won!
I won!
Rosie, you know you said it'd be fun to make cookies.
I hope you're better at making cookies than you are at racing, or someone's going to have a tummy ache!
But I won!
Chocolate chips, please. Rosie?
I can't believe you didn't see me win that race.
Sorry, Rosie. Bluebird sort of got in the way. Rosie?
What? My button!
Where's it gone?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, the good news is it's not in the cookie mix.
It must have fallen off in the race. I've got to find it.
Hi, Rosie. Hi, Raggles. You found a package too. Look.
That's great. But I've lost my button.
My alarm clock's disappeared.
So's my teddy.
Someone must have taken them, Raggles.
This calls for serious investigation. So, your alarm clock went missing. What time was this?
I'm not sure. I didn't have my clock.
Oh, I wish I'd brought the cookies. It's hungry work, this investigating.
Look out!
Stop! Stop! This is a serious investigation.
Let me try. Donuts!
Good work, Rosie. Now, what were you acorns doing this morning? I see. And why were you bouncing? Because that's what we do!
What we need is the help of someone wise and clever.
That's me.
Actually, I meant Saffy. Come on.
Rosie and Raggles. What a nice surprise.
Hello, Saffy. How did you know it was us?
I know many things. And I heard Raggles' tummy rumbling.
Oh, sorry.
Rosie, come closer, child. What's troubling you?
Someone's taking people's special things.
And we can't find out who's doing it.
Can a dry desert find a shower of rain? Or does the rain find the desert?
Huh? But it isn't raining.
I think she means, instead of looking for the culprit, let the culprit come to us. Thanks, Saffy. We must lay a trap.
Gone? But that was my favourite ball!
Oh, I just can't get comfortable today.
Sorry, Will. We were just trying to get our special things back.
Maybe we should open these now.
Maybe there'll be notes inside.
Or feathers?
So, if we find out who owns the feathers, we'll find out who took our things.
Oh, is that me?
Oh, that sounds like my alarm clock.
It's coming from...
That's better.
My button! Bluebird?
I just found it on the path. My teddy.
My ball!
Bluebird, why did you take all these things that weren't yours?
I see everyone with their special things. I wanted something special too. So I thought I'd do a swap.
But you know you can't do that without asking, Bluebird.
I know. And it turned out that the only things that were really special for me were my feathers. And I gave them all up, even my spare. Oh, I really miss them now.
Everyone misses their special things. That's why they're special.
Teddy can visit you whenever you like, Bluebird.
And you can borrow my alarm clock.
And maybe my ball. But ask first next time, OK?
So sorry for all the trouble I've caused. I wish I could make it up to you.
You can. Race, you will.
Rocket boosters ready to race! Coming through!
Well, it was a very close result. But the winner is Rosie!
Yay! Thanks for the race, Will. Best one we've had for ages.
It's all right. Last one you'll win, though.
Brilliant! Yes, aren't they? Rosie!
Raggles, you made me jump.
Oops, sorry. Let's play something, Rosie.
Play what?
Oh, I know. Hide and eat.
Hide and eat? How do you play that?
Easy. I hide with the strawberries and you have to find me before I've eaten them all.
Couldn't we play something else?
No, you'll love this. You need to count everything in the kitchen while I hide. And remember, find me before I eat all the strawberries.
Count everything? One banana, 1, 2 apples, 1, 2, 3 cups, 1, 2, 3, 4 shoes. Ooh, what's that? Wow, that was really fast, Will.
Not fast enough. I'm trying to break my speed record. You can help me if you like.
Okay, here I come. Whee! This is no good for hiding. I know. The orchard.
Ready, Rosie?
Ready to race.
1, 2, 3, go! Go, Rosie!
Faster! Vroom, 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 donuts!
Well, how did I do?
Good, but not good enough.
Oh, Let's try it together. We're bound to be faster.
What about this one? Or this one? No, they're all too thin. Oh, where can I hide?
Oh, this should be fun.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go where?
That was fast.
Oh.
You did it! You beat your speed record!
Are you okay, Bluebird? Did you enjoy the ride?
I think I need to lie down. Oh.
Huh? Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
What's wrong, Big Bear?
My toffee apple. My lovely, sticky toffee apple. It's gone.
Don't worry. I'll help you find it.
Yes. I'll just patch my feathers here and have a rest. Stop it! That tickles! What? Who said that? Oh, stop! What are you doing there? Hiding! Well, I found you easily enough. That's true. I need to find a better hiding place.
Are you sure you didn't eat the toffee apple?
I'm sure.
And you don't seem to have dropped it either.
And I was so looking forward to it.
Oh, Big Bear, I think I've got to the bottom of your sticky apple problem.
Oh, oops. Oh, thanks, Rosie. Do you want a lick?
No, thanks.
How about a piggyback ride round the garden instead?
Now you're talking.
Oh, Rosie's taking ages to find me here. Might as well make myself comfortable. Oh, hello. What's your name? I think I'll call you Ed the Earthworm. I'm playing hide and eat, and you found me, so that means you can have one of these strawberries.
Thanks, Rosie. It looks wonderful. I bet Raggles will like it too.
I'm sure he'll love... Oh no, Raggles! I forgot all about him. He must still be hiding and eating, waiting for me to find him. Raggles, I'm coming!
Oh dear.
Ed the Earthworm, you're the very best. Even though they might think you're a pest, you've become to me a friend, and we'll stay here till the end. Till the end of the game, anyway. Are you hungry, Ed? 1 for you, 2 for me. Oh, you can't have that one, Ed. I'm keeping the last one for Rosie. She's my best friend. And she'll be here very soon. But I've definitely won the game.
And then I jump like that and spin. Ta-da! Oh, hello, Bluebird. I didn't see you there. I promised Oakley I'd dance for him today, so I'm having a practice.
A dance show? Woohoo! Fantabulous! Who's coming?
Just Oakley.
No. You're terrific. Everyone should see you.
Everyone?
Picture the scene. You on stage, spotlights, a crowded audience, everyone watching your every move.
Spotlights? Audience? Everybody watching?
Don't worry, I'll make sure there's a good crowd. All you have to do is get your dance just right. Dance show this afternoon. One day only. The amazing Holly.
Hi, Holly. Holly?
Is this the dance you're doing? It's a bit slow.
Is everything all right?
I'm stuck.
You mean you've forgotten what comes next? Try a skip. That always works.
can't skip.
How about a wriggle?
Start at the beginning again. That will help you remember.
I can't remember the beginning either. I can't dance anymore.
Oh, don't worry. We'll help you, won't we, Raggles? Try copying me. How about the Rosie rumpus?
Maybe it's the wrong kind of dance. How about the Raggles?
The wrong dance.
Wriggle.
Raggles, you're a genius. It's Holly's dance that's been lost. We've got to get her dance back for her.
But I don't remember what it looked like.
Your dance chariot awaits.
And I've got you some flowers. What's wrong?
Holly's forgotten her dance.
No worries. I know a great dance you can do instead. You do the swinging swoop. Ha ha ha! And the roundabout romp. Yeah. Come on, Holly, try it. Hey!
Well...
Yay!
Well... I don't think it's helping.
Maybe Will should dance for Oakley instead. He's really good.
You're the dancer, Holly. I do a great wriggle.
Will's right. It's Holly's dance and she should do it.
What about my wriggle?
Here she comes, and the audience too.
I'm afraid there's a problem.
I can't do it.
Oh.
I've forgotten how to dance. Rosie's tried everything to get me to remember, but... Well, I'm sorry, Oakley.
All is not lost, Holly. We can still have a dance show.
We can?
Holly isn't the only dancer in our midst. I used to be a great dancer when I was young.
You?
A tree dance?
If Holly has forgotten her dance, I shall dance for her instead. But I might need some help.
Me? Help you? How?
Just do as I say. We'll need a bit of music. Got to get my sway right. Can you give me a push to start me off? That's it. And back the other way. Let's see if I can remember the twisty bit.
That was fun.
And this one now. I can't quite manage the skip. Would you do that for me?
Look, Raggles. Holly's dancing.
Holly's got her groove back.
I remembered my dance.
How did that happen?
Dancing should be fun. The important thing is to listen to the music and let yourself go. You don't need to worry about anything else. Shall we?
Do the roundabout spin. Ha! Yeah!
The Big Bear Boogie! Ooh.
The Raggles rip.
The Rosie rumpus.
The Raggles.
The Bluebird Bop. Here I come.
The Raggles rip.
Hooray!
Oh, what's the use?
Race you to the roundabout, Rosie.
Got to win. Got to win.
Poor Raggles. I always beat him. Maybe this time.
I'm winning. I won! I won! I'm the fastest.
Well done, Raggles.
I just beat Rosie in a race. You did?
Well, sort of.
I'm the fastest. I'm the fastest.
Not faster than me.
Wow! Will's quicker than a quick thing.
But Raggles did beat Rosie.
I'd beat you any day of the week.
You want to bet?
Maybe you're both the fastest.
But one of us is the fastest.
OK, Raggles, race you to the orchard.
Oh, no. I let Raggles win. He'll never beat Will.
Wait! If you really want to decide who's fastest, then you should have a big, proper race.
With a starting line and a judge and...
A prize for the winner!
Sounds good to me.
Me too.
Oh, dear.
I'll win any race in the world. Wake me up when it's time to start.
If I can beat you, Rosie, I can beat anyone, can't I?
If you really want to win this race, you'll need my help.
You'll start here. Run through the maze, past the woods, through the playground, round the swing pods, through Rosie's garden, and back here across the finishing line. The race starts at 3 o'clock. That gives you plenty of time to get ready.
Help!
You can do it, Raggles. Feet of springs, remember?
Don't worry. With my help, Wonder Will is bound to win.
We'll see about that, won't we, Raggles?
Oh, here are the buzzberries you wanted.
Yum!
That's splendid. Ready, Will? Ready, Raggles? On your marks. Get set. Go!
Come on, Raggles!
Come on, Will!
Go, Raggles! Raggles can do it.
No. Will's fastest, and he's had my special training.
They're going into the maze.
Can't catch me.
Can you see? Yes! I knew it.
Oh, I can't bear to look.
Go, Raggles! Think of the buzzberries.
I'm still the fastest.
Will's winning! Hurrah! Watch those buzzberries, Big Bear. They've got our name on them.
Don't be so sure about that. Oh, Raggles will be so disappointed if he doesn't win.
Oh, all that training's worn me out. I could do with a rest. I'm still winning by a mile. Oh, just a short rest.
Buzzberries! Buzzberries!
Feet of springs, Raggles. Feet of springs.
Feet of springs. Got to catch up. Will? Sleeping? Maybe I could stop for a minute. I'll still beat Will if I start again before he wakes up.
Hi, Will. you doing little baby swings?
Bluebird says I'm not allowed to do proper swinging. She's in a real mood.
Which way did she go?
Over there. But I'd stay out of her way if I were you. She's so bossy today.
We're going to find out why. Come on, Will.
Hello, my dear. And Raggles. Rosie not with you today?
No. That's why we came. You see, Raggles has a bit of a problem.
Oakley! Oh, will you please stop rustling your branches? Creak, creak, creak all day long!
I'm sorry,
Oh, just keep still. Oh, it shouldn't be hard. You are a tree after all.
Yes, very well.
Good.
Well, what a bossy bird.
Yes. Anyway, about Raggles, he had a little bicker with Rosie.
Well, a big bicker, actually.
And now he wants to put things right. What should he do?
I think you should say sorry.
But what if she's still upset with me?
I'd give her a special gift, my most luscious leaf from high up in my branches.
Or you could play her a tune on my recorder.
Oh, that is genius! Come on, Holly. Thanks for the help, Oakley.
Dum-de-dum-a-dum-de-dum-da-dum-da-dum-da-dum.
Goodness me! What if we all walked around all day making loud twig noises? What then, eh?
I don't know.
It'd be a racket, that's what! No treading on twigs!
Sorry.
Too loud!
Sorry.
Shh! Stop! I say, stop! At last. Thank you.
Why have you been bossing everyone around, Bluebird?
Oh, it's the noise. There's the little acorns bouncing, bouncy, 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 and Will swinging, and Oakley creaking, and Big Bear stamping, and Raggles playing his recorder. Oh, and his penny whistle. Ah.
His penny whistle?
Yes.
But why did you take it? And why have you been telling everyone what to do?
Because today is the day I must la 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 sing my chorus, but it's just not quite enough for me to do it.
I think we can sort this out without being bossy. But you must give Raggles his penny whistle back first.
Sorry I took your whistle, Raggles.
OK, Bluebird.
Good. Let's all meet at Oakley's Hill in 10 minutes. Don't be late. OK, everyone. We have to be quiet for 1 whole minute. Let's practice.
Shh.
It's so hard not to rustle. What do we have to be silent for?
Not what, Oakley? Who? Here she is.
Oh, thank you. Now I shall sing my chorus. Me, 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 me. How long does this noise go on?
Dear me, have you got any of those in my size?
Now, Raggles and I would like to play a tune for our friend Rosie.
Oh, no. Come on, everyone.
Guess what I am?
Squeak, squeak, squeak. A rusty wheel?
No!
Squeak, squeak.
You're pretending to cry.
Oh, no!
Come on, Bluebird. You're great at this game. What's Big Bear pretending to be? Bluebird?
Squeak, squeak. No, he's a mouse.
Yes! Well done, Bluebird. It's your turn now.
Oh, you're being a bird.
Oh, that's easy.
What's the bird doing?
This bird is migrating like all its other bird friends.
Migrating?
Oh, migrating is when we birds fly to warm, far-away places, like a big, long holiday. We can paddle in the sea, play in the sand, and eat fancy fruit from trees.
Sounds wonderful.
Wow! Oh, tell us more, Bluebird. Oh, look, it's my friend Teal. Yoo-hoo! Shall we all migrate?
I don't think we can. It's a bird thing.
But you've got to come with us, Bluebird. Migrating's what we do.
I know. But what about my friends?
They'll understand. Just think of all the fun you'll be missing if you don't come.
Squeak, squeak. Guess what I am?
Well, you're a mouse, of course.
I'm not a mouse. I'm Big Bear pretending to be a mouse.
Very funny, Raggles. Coming to play?
I can't. I've got things to do.
Bluebird, are you all right?
What's wrong, Rosie?
I think Bluebird might be leaving us. I think she's going to migrate.
She can't leave us.
I'll have no one to wake me up really early in the morning.
And what about her magic?
Well, there's only one thing for it. We'll have to persuade Bluebird to stay right here.
How?
Okay, this is what we're going to do. Everything ready?
Yup.
Time for Operation Exotic Holiday. There you are, Bluebird.
You almost missed your flight.
What? My flight? With the rest of the birds?
No, today you'll be travelling with Will Airways.
This way, madam.
Ooh. Where am I going?
You'll see. Now fasten your seatbelt and get ready for takeoff.
Hold on, Bluebird. We're coming into land.
But this is the playground. I come here every day.
Not like this, you don't. Look around.
Welcome to Bluebird Beach. Wow, it's the best beach ever. Ouch!
Oops. Sorry, Bluebird. That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, look, the drinks have arrived. Well done, Raggles. Sorry, I mean waiter.
Oops.
Oh, no. Sorry about that, Bluebird. Why don't you lie back and relax while Raggles gets you another smoothie?
This is nice. Very nice.
Close your eyes, little bird. Yes, you're tired, little bird. Let me rock
Big Bear.
you to sleep in your bed.
Big Bear,
So be still,
no!
little bird. Bluebird?
Bluebird!
we are, Bluebird.
No harm done. This isn't how it's supposed to be at all. We'll have to do something quick, otherwise we might lose Bluebird for good.
Please remain seated at all times and keep seatbelts firmly fastened.
Way over to your right is the Playhouse, where we can have fantastic adventures.
Oh, are we there yet?
On your left, you will see Safi, the exotic cedar.
Greetings.
You'd have to travel a long way to see a sight like Safi, but she's right here.
Behold the beauty of my finger symbols.
Ooh, I like those. Have we arrived?
Not quite. I have to push this up the hill. Oh, it's really heavy.
Here, let me help. This is where we can eat exotic tree fruits.
Rosie?
Oh no!
Bluebird, are you okay?
Sorry for the bumpy journey, Bluebird.
That was fast.
Come on, Bluebird, it's time to leave. Oh, she's leaving us.
Bye-bye, Bluebird.